Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your LinkedIn following list on your PC using the latest update. If you value your privacy and want to keep your connections and interests to yourself, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your LinkedIn account settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This section controls who can see your activity and information on LinkedIn. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can see members you follow. Click on it to open up your visibility choices. By default, your following list might be visible to your connections or even to anyone on LinkedIn. But if you want to keep this information private, you need to change this setting. Select the option that says, Only visible to me. This ensures that no one else can see the list of people and companies you follow on LinkedIn. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully hidden your LinkedIn following list from everyone else. This is a great way to maintain your privacy, especially if you don't want others to know which influencers, companies, or thought leaders you're interested in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.